economy, because what we see is a snowball effect. As spending power from more Americans decreases, well, what it means is the incomes for other Americans go down, hours get cut, jobs get cut, and it all then turns to the manufacturing sector, which today we saw durable goods orders disappoint in October, now stagnant for 19 months. I'm going to show you why. After 2 months of declines, U.S. durable goods orders rose 0.2% month over month. This again is the preliminary data, which we know tends to get revised down. But notably, given the stagnation, the split pushed up orders to a 5.3% year over year on a non-seasonally adjusted basis. But of course, we care about the seasonal adjustment when it comes to new orders. And here you can see that they remain slightly positive. This shown in blue against real retail sales. That's still shown in red, both on a year-over-year rate of change. And what we see is a great relationship here as demand for retail sales goes down. You see that deceleration. Well, what that turns into is a lack of need for new orders. So if you're not moving your inventory, well, you don't need to order more of it. And next thing you know, from the manufacturing perspective, you see hours get cut, you see new orders go down, you see backlogs get worked through, and next thing you know, you see people hit the unemployment line. And sure enough, that's what we're seeing once again, going back to 2006, as you saw that slowdown in real retail sales. Well, what it led to was a slowdown in manufacturers' new orders. And right now, everybody's hoping for a big turnaround in manufacturing, but it's all on the back of U.S. consumers, which was interesting. We saw in the Texas survey, what we found for manufacturers is all of a sudden they said, in 6 months, we think we're going to be booming. We think we're going to be at capacity, massive demand. But if consumers don't come out and spend, particularly over Black Friday and through the holiday season, what we're going to see in 6 months isn't a boom in demand. It's going to be a massive increase in layoffs. But are we facing a massive liquidity crisis?